Welcome to Tech Vibe, and today we're diving into a smartphone that stands out from the crowd, the Oukitel K10000. This phone isn't your average device, it's built for people who demand long-lasting power and durability. Right off the bat, the most impressive feature is the massive 10,000 mAh battery, which is still one of the largest you can find on a smartphone. Imagine going days without needing to charge your phone. That's exactly what the K10000 offers. Oukitel claims it can last up to 10 to 15 days on a single charge with moderate use, and even with heavy use, you're looking at several days without reaching for a charger. Plus, it supports reverse charging, meaning it can act as a power bank to charge other devices. That alone makes it a game changer for people who are always on the move or working in the field. Now, let's talk about the design. The K10000 has a bold, industrial look with a metal frame that feels solid in the hand. It's a bit chunky, but that's expected with a battery this size. If you prefer sleek, lightweight phones, this might feel heavy, but if durability is a priority, it delivers. The 5.5-inch IPS LCD display comes with a 720p resolution. While it's not the sharpest screen out there, it's clear and bright enough for everyday use. The screen size makes watching videos, browsing, or even light gaming comfortable, although the lower resolution is a trade-off for that massive battery life. Under the hood, the K10000 is powered by a MediaTek MT6735 quad-core processor clocked at 1.0 GHz, paired with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. It's not a powerhouse by today's standards, but it handles basic tasks like calls, messaging, and casual browsing without much trouble. There's also a microSD card slot if you need more storage. It runs on Android 5.1 Lollipop, which is quite outdated now, and that means you miss out on the latest features and security updates. If you need the latest Android experience, this might not be the best choice, but for a reliable backup phone or something for outdoor use, it still holds up. On the camera front, you get a 13-megapixel rear shooter and a 5-megapixel front camera. They're decent for quick snaps and good lighting, but low light performance is where it struggles. If photography is a priority, this won't blow you away, but for basic use, it gets the job done. One of the standout features is the fast charging capability. Despite the massive battery, you can get it fully charged in about 3.5 hours thanks to its 9V/2A charger. That's pretty impressive considering the size of the battery. Connectivity-wise, the K10000 supports 4G LTE, dual SIM functionality, and has the basics like Bluetooth 4.0, GPS, and Wi-Fi. However, it doesn't have fancy extras like NFC or wireless charging. But if your main focus is battery life and durability, it covers the essentials well. So, who is this phone for? If you need a smartphone that can last days without a charge, whether you're a traveler, camper, or just someone tired of constantly charging, the Oukitel K10000 is a solid option. It might not have cutting-edge performance or the latest software, but it makes up for it with unmatched battery life and rugged construction. At its price point, it's an affordable solution for anyone who prioritizes battery over bells and whistles. In a world where most smartphones barely last a day, the Oukitel K10000 remains a unique offering. Thanks for tuning into Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews. See you next time.